Hello and welcome to Sharper's Garage. Today I'm doing the rear brake shoes on a 2006 Transit Connect. So I made sure the handbrake was off, then give the drum a bit of a tap, just free everything off so I can gear it off. So once I got the drum off, it was a perfect opportunity to check the wheel bearing for any grinding noises or any play. And then I had a good look at the brake adjuster. It looks like it had all seized up inside. Somebody sprayed some white grease on it, which I don't think had done it any favours. So then it was a case of removing the two clips that held the brake shoes on, and I would try and pull the entire assembly off at the same time. So once I got the assembly off, the bottom spring just fell off. Then I flicked the top spring off and removed the handbrake cable. Once I got the old shoes out of the way, I checked the slave cylinder to make sure the pistons were free. Had a good check round on the back plate and then get it a clean up. The adjuster was totally seized, so I took that in the garage and freed everything up. Once I connected the handbrake cable, I put the adjuster in the top and used the top spring to hold it together to make it easier to put the pins through the back plate and put the springs that hold the shoes back on. And once I'd mounted the shoes back on, I get a slight little tweak on the adjuster just so the drum fit nice and snug. If you can hear the tapping in the background, that's my lad cleaning the drums up and painting them. Once I was happy with it and got the drum to spin nice and freely, I tried the handbrake, I pulled it on and off a few times. And that was it, job done. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye for now.